quick little kind of tutorial, maybe sort of a play along to see what I can get out of the processing video library. Hopefully something similar to this, maybe a little bit more interesting, I hope, but yeah.
Okay, so here we're going to be starting out with our basic setup and draw functions. If you're familiar with processing, this should be pretty simple, straightforward, but if not, I'll leave a link in the description. I took this from the sample of the processing video library. So we are just starting out checking the capture list, making our new capture object. So yeah, we can see we can get that object. So from here, let's actually start drawing it. So I believe the cam gives us a P image object. So we should be able to just draw it once we've started it, and then we need to make sure that it's available. So then we can read it, because otherwise we aren't updating that P image actual object. Let me change the font here real quick. So let's try running it. Will I show up? Yep, there I am. Hey, look, there's me. Okay, now from here, let's start talking about the grid. So from here, we're going to say we need an integer to say that we want 2 divisions. So that'll give us a grid of 4 me's. So we'll need an integer, divisor of 2. And we can use this divisor for a nice XY for loop. You could do it with a single for loop, but I'm a fan of 2 or more because it gives us a nice indices. So here we've got our 2 loops where we've got our x is less than width, x plus minus width over divisors, same for y. So that'll give us a nice x and y coordinate for placing our images. So let's make a temporary P image object, which is just a copy of the cam P image. And then we should be able to just say image, drop in that temporary P image at our x and y. So let's check. This should give us 4 of me, I believe. If we go in and see, yep, okay, there are 4 of me. Hey, look, there's me and my nose. Okay. All right. Now from here, let's just double check that this works. So let's change from 2 to 3. And when we do this, there should now be 9 pictures. Will there be? Yep. There we go. And there's my fingers. I love saying body parts. Okay. All right. Now from here, I'm going to cut. Okay. Yep. Now from here, you can see there's a lot more of me in this picture. In this picture, what I've done is I've mapped the mouse X and mouse Y axis to determine how many that integer is. So going back over, let's do this. Let's just say divisor is now going to be map of, and map is a very handy processing Java function that I will talk more about in a future video. But from here, we're saying our mouse X, which is a system variable or a global variable in the Java framework, or the processing framework, excuse me, we're mapping it from 0 to width to 6 to 100. So, and then we're converting it to an int, which I believe is a flooring it. So this should now say our mouse is going to be starting at 6. Look, there's 36 of me. And then as I move over, it'll give us 100. So this has been my first processing video. I hope if you enjoyed this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to be back with more. All right, thanks. Bye.